If you've ever had to deal with two-factor authentication codes and get codes from other people and other clients, and you find that annoying, then this video is for you. As an automation agency, this is not an uncommon problem that we face, and here's how we fix it. So first, you need to make sure you have an app like Bitwarden. Bitwarden is not the only one out there. You also have LastPass, that's pretty famous, but Bitwarden is the one we use right now and it works fine. But the principles remain the same. So first, you want to open that app and then add the new credential. So for Bitwarden, I'm selecting login, and then you put in the name. That's just for internal usage. Whatever the username and password are, you'll notice this little section here, Authenticator Key, TOTP. And that is what we're going to use. So Bitwarden, and that applies to LastPass as well, by giving it a small series of numbers, it will be able to generate that one-time code. So instead of sending the SMS directly to a phone number, you can get it directly from Bitwarden or LastPass. So now if you're working with other people or clients, you need to make sure that they agree to use this method. But if they do, just for this example, I'm going to use Gmail. So this is my personal account. So then you want to go to two-step verification right here. And for my case, I have Google prompts. Some of you may have voice or text message, whichever you've been using so far. Keep scrolling down until you see Authenticator app. So you want to select that, hit plus, set up Authenticator, and then it will give you a QR code. In most cases, people will scan the QR code and then use the Authenticator app on their phone. And that way there's a code that refreshes every set amount of time, and they can use that code to log in as their second factor authentication. In our case, we're just going to hit can't scan it. Next page you get to is this one where it tells you to enter your email address and this key. And this combination is what will generate the codes which you can use directly from Bitwarden in order to bypass. So then you want to enter your email and that key inside of Bitwarden instead of an app on your phone. That way you can just have Bitwarden generate that code for you so you can access whichever account you're trying to access without sending an SMS. And I'll show you in a minute just how it works. So make sure you have your email address on hand and you copy that key. Once you have copied everything, it's going to ask you a code from the app. So you have it all written down and copy paste it somewhere. It's going to ask you for the code from the app. So now I'm going back to Bitwarden, add in a new login. I'll put in the username and password here, and you want to paste in the key right here. I hit save, item added. Then you can go right here for Bitwarden and it will automatically copy the verification code. So you want to go ahead and paste it in here and hit verify. All right, and now you're all set. So now the next time you log into the account, just use your password manager, such as Bitwarden, put in the password, the username, and everything. And once it requests for that SMS code, there will be a way to click and ask for another way to authenticate. And that is when you pick Google prompt, and then you can use Bitwarden or LastPass, get that TOTP code, copy, paste it, and you'll be set. Hope that helps. Peace.